Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell how you can send a photo to WhatsApp on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch this video to the end. Put likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to WhatsApp on our iPhone or iPad. After that, here we have contacts calls. We click on chats. Choose the person we want to send a photo to. Then we can write a text, we can send a voice message, we can send stickers. We click here on the plus sign. Here we can send a camera location contact document. We select photo. We select photo or video. Let's say I want to send this one. And I click send. It takes literally 2 seconds. This photo is sent to the person's WhatsApp number. This is the simple way you can take, select, and send. Be sure to like, subscribe to the channel if you liked and helped this video. Thank you for watching to the end. Goodbye.